goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual, it's inexplicable.
Hey guys, welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. Now I'm going to do something a little bit different that I haven't really seen anybody do reviews on. I've seen a couple and it looked really cute, so I don't know why more people didn't do reviews on it. But today I'm going to be doing the Brown Sugar Invisible Whole Lace BS402 Willow unit in the style F1B30. This is what the stock card looks like. And she looks really pretty on the model. That's why I'm sort of surprised that more people haven't picked it up and done reviews on it. So this is 100% individually hand-tied knots. It says maximum comfort, full body and volume, undetectable hairline, flexible parting. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. So I do think it's a 13x6. Straight out of the pack, this is what it looks like. And this is F1B30, so it has the streaks of the blonde in it. I don't see too much blonde. It's like very subtle, but I see this like chunk right here. It has baby hairs in the front. This is what the inside looks like. So you definitely have a good amount of parting space. It goes ear to ear. And you could do a nice deep part right there. It has 3 combs, 2 near the crown, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. I'm excited to try this one, so I'm gonna put it on and we're gonna see if we can make it work. So these baby hairs are pretty long. I feel like they did that on purpose though, so that you could customize it to your liking. But so far, I'm liking the hairline. It says it's naturally pre-plucked. I like the parting too. The waves are really pretty. Definitely getting a good amount of tangling. But I think that's something you may be able to cut down with maybe some mousse. That's usually what I use. My foaming mousse, olive oil. So as you can see, I ended up just switching the part. I never do the right side part, but I just couldn't get it to lay the way that I wanted to, so I just decided to switch it last minute. Y'all, I'm sorry if my baby is looking a little bit crazy. I didn't press nothing down though. I just tried to swoop him for the video just to show you guys the style real quick. So this is what Miss Willow in F1B30 looks like. This is all the hair to the front. These curls are really pretty. The texture feels like soft Yaki. So this is everything to the front. This is the side. This is everything to the back. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. This one probably did take me, out of all the units, this one seems like I kind of had to put a good amount of work into it, especially because this whole baby hair thing is going on with these. So I try to cut them some and swoop them. You can always try to like camouflage like me, just like hide it underneath. Of course I added concealer. Yeah, these baby hairs just are not trying to cooperate with me today. They're super straight. I feel like if I had wrapped it with the silk wrap, it would have stayed better, but put it down. I just wanted to give like an overall look of like what it would look like, or just give like a little preview. If I was actually wearing it out right now, I definitely would put some more work into it, but since this is just for a quick show and tell unboxing, I just wanted to run through and show you guys what it would look like. So that's pretty much it. I'm gonna move on to the next review. Hopefully I can get that one done today also. I'm just trying to run through these as many as I can possible. Yeah, so if you like this video, just give me a like, give me a comment, subscribe to my page. If you have anything to say, let me know if you like this, if you don't like it, if there's anything else I should try. If you have any tips for me, definitely would appreciate it. So that's it. Thanks for tuning into my channel. Bye.